Hey friends, Tahir with you once again. Tips on reaching the same success level as me. What would I tell? And the answer is be persistent. Persistency is important. What does that mean? That means that when things do not work in your favor, don't give up. Don't lose heart. Don't doubt yourself. Stay persistent. Figure out what did not work. Find out how will it work and then get going. So what if you failed the second time? Stay persistent. Figure out what did not work. Find out what will work. Do it again. You see, once you start being persistent enough number of times, you run out of options that did not work. And then you start getting options that did work. So that's number one, stay persistent. Number two, find a mentor. If I could go back in time and change something really quick, what I'd do is that I'd go and get a mentor so I could get to the success level a lot quicker. So these are two tips I would give you right now if you want the same level of success as what I am achieving and what I channel and tell the people around the world.